Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So I have a long-awaited Dollar Tree haul for you guys. I really wanted to do one of these like every single week, and then it just got away from me because I was uploading other videos, and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to be uploading a Dollar Tree haul for you guys as much as possible because you seem to love them, and I'm always hauling things from Dollar Tree, and it's just a huge part of my content here on YouTube. So if you guys don't know, I also have a Dollar Tree Instagram. It's at Dollar Tree Dolly. It will be linked in my description box as well. I post on there like 5 times a day sometimes, and I absolutely love finding new things at Dollar Tree and then sharing them with you guys. So if you like this kind of video, please subscribe, and let's get on into my haul. Okay, we have a bag full of goodies here. I don't even know what's in here, to be honest with you guys, because I've been buying things and then just throwing them in this tote bag. First thing I got were actually these markers from Jot, and this was just in like the school section, and I don't know how good these are gonna be, and I bought them to go with another item, which I will show you guys in 1 second. But you get 20 pieces in here, fine line markers, because I wanted to get into adult coloring books just to have like an activity that wasn't related to my phone. I did end up picking up this Tropical Paradise coloring book to go along with the markers, and you can see it's like very detailed. I do also want to get some, I call them Milky pens, but I guess they're just called gel pens now. I'm like aging myself here, but it's so cute. And then you can actually, I just noticed now you can rip them out, which is really nice. But I'm excited to get started on this. Hopefully I'll just set aside one night where I'm just doing some coloring. So if you guys want to join along with me, pick up these two and let's just color together and just be kids again. Cutest little ears. Oh my gosh, I always purchase these because I want to wear them when I'm doing a makeup tutorial so I can put my hair back. How cute are these? They're like these little Sherpa bear ears, and they had, I think, also pink and a tan. I just got the black because I always usually wear black because I think it's very flattering. So cute, you guys. Oh my goodness gracious. Let's see if I can put these on and show you. Oh my gosh, these would have also been super cute for Halloween, but you can always purchase them and wear them next year for Halloween. But I loved these. I could not say no to these. They were too cute, and I love Sherpa. These really cute stickers, and I love the Christian stickers at Dollar Tree. They always have really pretty like designs and verses. I actually just used one today. I have another set, and I like to use them on my envelope. Say if I'm mailing out like my maintenance check or a check for like the electric or anything, I like to put one on the back so people can see it and hopefully they read it and feel, you know, inspired, or it makes them feel something inside. So I picked up these, and this is like my favorite sticker set that they've had. You guys, there is a little like denim jacket and it says "Make Heaven Crowded," and when I saw that, I was like instantly like put in my cart because I love that. That's like one of my favorite phrases, and I also have a shirt that I made that says that. So when I saw that, I was like, oh my gosh, it's so cute. And then there's also a little record player that says "Powered by Grace." I can't. They're so cute and just a fun way to decorate, or maybe if you're scrapbooking or something. And these just make me happy. And you do get 50 pieces in here. So I think there's 2 sheets. And there's also some cute little regular stickers in here, like cactuses and succulents and stuff. And it's just so cute. I've been meaning to show you guys from the past few hauls, and I kept forgetting. This is really cool. This is a new Crafter Square glue gun pad. I hope my camera and lighting is not washing things out, because this camera is like not my usual camera. I think I've told you guys. So I'm sorry if things don't look the way they usually look. If you're using your glue gun, you can rest it on here. It's actually folded up. It's pretty big actually. I'll open it so you guys can see. And it says the glue peels off of here after it's dry. It's heat resistant. And I was actually thinking that I could use this also for like a curling iron, because it is heat resistant and because it's pretty large, that it could be not just for glue guns. Debacle at Dollar Tree, they had come out with a glue gun, and then it was literally like setting things on fire, and they had to recall it. And I had actually had one. I hadn't used it though. Ooh, Ooh, this is really nice. Look how big it is. This is a great size. I could definitely put my curling iron or my straightener on here. This is also great for traveling. If you're gonna be traveling with a beauty tool and you don't know like what the bathroom situation is gonna be like, you have a mat that you can literally just roll up and take with you. This is great. So, and also of course you can use this for crafting, which is gonna be so handy because I am a culprit of like, when I use the glue gun, I use like 50 sticks and then it literally gets all over the floor and it does ruin your floor. Like I have had that before where I got glue gun glue on the laminate wood floors and then it got ruined. So I have to be more careful and hopefully this little handy tool will help me. Speaking of crafts, I did pick up another, and I told myself I wasn't gonna do this, but I did do it because it was different. It's not the vinyl. This is the iron-on vinyl, you guys. Very different because the other one is not for t-shirts and bags and stuff. It's just for like surfaces, like cups. This is a glittery black iron-on vinyl, and I was like, I have to try this out because I love the glitter vinyls. They're so pretty. However, when I posted this on my Instagram, because I do show a lot of stuff there on Instagram Reels, a lot of people were saying that it didn't work well. I think you're gonna have to adjust your cut settings and play around with it a few times to see what cut setting will work best. I have a mini silhouette. Some people have a Cricut, so everyone's machine is gonna be different, but I'm gonna basically try first and see how it goes and see what setting works best. And if it does really work, I will have to kind of keep you guys posted, but probably will post that update on Instagram, so make sure you follow me there. And also you do need an iron or like the little press, and I do have like the little Cricut press that my sister got for me. Maybe I'll do like a t-shirt. I want to do a t-shirt that says like Cat Mom, but hopefully you guys can see how pretty the glitter is. And the reason that I thought this was so cool was because these types of glitter vinyl, they can go for like $10 and up. So that's why I'm like, I hope this works because then we can all save a lot of money on the iron-on vinyl. This is so cute. I don't know if I showed this to you guys, this smiley face sticker, and I thought like how cute would this be to make your own smiley face slippers if you got 2 of them and just like a plain pair of slippers, and then put this like ironed it on the front. And again, you can use an iron or the little press from Cricut to adhere this to whatever, but it's like really nice and good quality. It's pretty thick, and also I think this would be really cute on a denim jacket. This like cute little black scrunchie that's furry. I am like obsessed with these scrunchies. I have way too many, but they are fun to rotate. So I just thought this one was so cute. I love the furry ones. Oh, it's so soft, and I think this would be really cute with like a high ponytail. This next item is new from Be Pure. It's their African Black Soap charcoal powder shampoo bar, and this is great if you are trying to avoid plastic bottles. It's also great if you have like a small space, say like I know a lot of people who are on RVs, they can only use these types of soaps because they're travel friendly, and I'm really curious to use this. It says it removes impurity and soothes the scalp, and it does also have willow leaf extract and tea tree leaf oil. So we will see how this works. I've never used a shampoo bar before. I'm gonna have to try it out and see, but see if you guys can find this. I thought it was a great launch from the brand, and you guys know I have worked with Be Pure and I love them. I'm excited to work with them again. I'm not on this video, I'm not, but I'm just showing you guys. They are coming out with a lot of new items. This I wanted to try because I had got this in the past for Nick. It's this Himalayan Pink Salt Nasal Inhaler by Salt Range, and I do get a little bit like stuffy in my nose. It's not, I don't know what it is. I think I just have a deviated septum. I never get sick or anything like that. It's just, I think the deviated septum, and also like it basically means like your nasal passages are like crooked. Sometimes at night I feel like I have a little bit of trouble breathing, so I figured I could try this. It says it has natural mint oil, it clears the airways when breathing, and it's packed with natural essential oils, and it's also non-medicated. And it has mentha leaf oil, menthol, and eucalyptol, and the Himalayan saline water. So I'm definitely like on the Himalayan pink salt thing. I went to a Himalayan pink salt cave, if you guys saw that vlog. So Nick told me like it's a little intense, like you can't just like go crazy with it. So I'm a little scared because I'm the biggest baby ever. Like I'm not even kidding you guys. I'm such a baby. So I'm gonna have to see how I like this, and I will let you guys know, but here's what it looks like. This is a new organization find, and I thought this was great. So this just says essentials organizer with lid. I think they just like changed the packaging on this because I have got this before, and this is such a great storage option. There's 3 compartments in here, and I think I'm actually just gonna take the lid off and use it without the lid and use it as a makeup storage because I really like the compartments, and I think this could be good for like highlighters or blushes, and I did need another storage container, and it's a really decent size. So definitely check this out, you guys. They have some amazing containers at Dollar Tree. Like this one is something you would see at the container store for definitely $5 and up. This is another Be Pure find, and it is the dry shampoo powder. So this says it's for brunette to dark hair, which I thought it actually was gonna be like brown because on the back it does say it has cocoa powder in it, and I was like, oh, it's gonna be brown for brunettes, but it's actually not, so that kind of threw me off. It says it helps absorb oil and add volume to hair. I did use this once before. A little goes a long way. You do not need a lot of this. I will say the one negative about this that I was kind of bummed about is that it does have DMDM Heidentoin in it, and there's been a lot of controversy about that ingredient in hair products. Basically a formaldehyde releaser, and I know that sounds really scary, and I don't want to like fearmonger or whatever because I do like this product. I haven't had any issues with it as far as I know. I just wanted to kind of let you guys know beforehand about that. But I also thought it was cool because it has peppermint oil and it has rosemary leaf oil, which is one of my favorite oils for helping with hair growth. So I was pleasantly surprised to see those ingredients, albeit they're at the bottom of the list, which means it has the least concentration. I thought this was a really cool launch from the brand, like very interesting. And you really only need like the tiniest little bit. See if I can do it here. Just like a little bit, and then you do really have to massage it in because they're white. I probably could use some of this right now, that's why I'm doing it. But it does give some volume to the hair as well. If you're looking for like a non-aerosol kind of dry shampoo, definitely try this because I know there's been so much also with the aerosols going around, and there was that whole recall. So I appreciate that they're, you know, coming out with new products like this. I think it's really cool. Great product. I was excited about this. I found this lipstick when I was in Florida at my sister's Dollar Tree. It's the NYX Pure Nude Lipstick 518A, and I figured I could just use this in a tutorial. I'm always, you know, looking on the lookout for makeup that I can use in my next Dollar Tree makeup tutorial. It had honestly been a while since I had seen any new makeup, so when I saw this when I was in Florida, I was like, finally some name brand. Like, they've really been slacking this year on the name brand stuff, or at least over the past few months. Camera is definitely gonna wash that out, but it looks like a color that I would try. I also got some new lip products from LA Colors. This is the Pout Potion Strawberry Scented Lip Balm, and I thought this was cool because it said it was color changing, and they had a whole display of these new like lip products. So it says it magically tints lips pink. I would try it, but I have on a lot of lipstick and gloss right now. So I think this should be cool to try. I will definitely use this in my next like makeup try on from Dollar Tree. I just thought it was something fun. Hey guys, I took a small break. Now I am back. So the next thing I picked up there's a lot of fun new makeup in here. I got 2 new LA Colors eyeshadows, and this is actually, it says new and improved, which I cannot wait to try these. So this first one's called Haute, and there's some really pretty shimmers in here as well as mattes. And if you guys have been watching my makeup tutorials, I've always really liked LA Colors eyeshadows, and I have done a lot of looks with them. Also got this one called Almost Nude. They're both neutrals, but I wanted both so I could use both color schemes. They look very promising. This one's a little bit more warm tone, where this one is a little bit more cool tone. So let me know if you guys found these yet. They should be in all the stores by now. I picked up a new LA Colors new and improved contour stick. This says it is paraben free and cruelty free, and I'm so excited that LA Colors made a lot of their formulas now paraben free. Very excited for that. And this is the shade Tan. I think this also could be good for like a nose contour, so we'll be trying that out as well. And then they also reformulated their blushes. So this is the shade Toast, and it says new and improved, cruelty-free, vegan-friendly, paraben-free. And this one looks like it does have some chunky silver shimmer in there, so we're gonna have to see how that is. I am so excited to try these. I'm hoping I can film a video by hopefully tomorrow, because I just want to play with everything, and the eyeshadows and the blush and the contour stick. I just love testing new Dollar Tree makeup. This eyeshadow palette from LA Colors is so pretty. This one's called Night Out, and it's more like orangey kind of colors. Look how pretty that is. Something interesting, I'm just gonna take this one out to swatch though. Something interesting in here is though, it says it's cruelty free, but it's not vegan, because I do see on the ingredients that this does have carmine in it, which is, I think it's crushed up beetles, you guys, which honestly is kind of weird. I don't know how I feel about that. I know a lot of stuff has it, but decent. Not, you know, anything too crazy. I feel like the shimmers are probably going to be the standout in here. Carmine, and it's really gross, you guys. It says the insects are sun-dried, crushed, and dunked in an acidic alcohol solution to produce carminic acid, the pigment that eventually becomes carmine, depending on processing. About 70,000 insects are needed to produce a pound of dye. So it's definitely like a little bit of a turnoff. I'm probably, a lot of eyeshadows have it, but I guess that's why if you see vegan, that would be important, because that means it does not have carmine in it. And I also picked up a LA Colors Pout Potion lip oil, and this is another one of those products that like magically makes your lips tint pink, and I thought it was fun to try. And let's check, is there carmine? Okay, no, I don't see any carmine. Mineral oil, fragrance, and yeah, there's no like it says there's glitter in here. Oh, I see it. Okay, there's some like rainbowy glitter in here. So they did have a whole display of these if you guys want to see if you can find these at your store. LA Colors lashes, and these say that these are fake lashes, and I believe they're just like synthetic. And I love that the name was Dolly. I thought that was really cool because my name is Dollar Tree Dolly, so I was like, I have to get these, and they looked pretty good. Like, I'm gonna have to try them. They look really full, and I also loved that the band was so thin. I hate when lashes have a thick band. It drives me crazy. You can feel it all day if you're wearing them, so I tend to stick to more of like a thin band. Okay guys, so that is everything. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm gonna save a lot of this stuff for my next haul. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below if you picked up any of these items. And Gizzy joined us. Hello, Giz. This video, a big thumbs up if you love Dollar Tree hauls, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.